I'm trying out a new recipe. I'll leave it down below. This is just, it called for 6 potatoes, but I used 4 potatoes because it's only me and Mike. The girl in the video used, I'm going to link the video down below. The girl in the video used carrots, the baby carrots. I just used 4 medium-sized carrots. And she used a medallion onion. I just chopped up a regular onion. So this is on high, and this is what I have in here so far. Now I'm going to grab my pork chops. Okay, here's my pork chops in there. In the video, she used boneless, skinless, or boneless ones, but this is what I have, so I'm improvising. And now for the piece de resistance. She took Italian salad dressing and poured it all over, and that's the only seasoning she used. So, hold on a second. I'm going to put you guys up against my air fryer here. So, we're going to use this whole bottle, basically. And you're just gonna spread it over everything. Okay, so that's gonna make its own juices. So I'm gonna take my cover, and as I said, it's on high. And it usually cooks on high for about 3 to 4 hours. So we're just going to let it go. Okay, guys, here's what supper looks like. Now, remember, because you cook the pork chops in the slow cooker, they're not going to brown like they would on the stove. A little bit of salt. And a whole lot of pepper. Lots and lots and lots of pepper. I like pepper. We had a little mishap with the slow cooker. It's never done that before. But it boiled over. Sorry, Mike's butt's in the way. But it went all over the deep freeze and all down the side of the deep freeze. So for now on, when I'm using the slow cooker, we're going to put that cookie sheet under it. So it'll catch any fallout. But, sorry, still got a bit of a cough. I am going to do a taste test for you. Okay, I don't think you guys are going to stand up there. Sorry, you're not going to stand up there. Oh my. Alright, so let's try a piece of carrot. The carrot could have cooked a little bit longer.
You got no bones there?
No, I don't think so. The potato is very soft. And let's try a piece of meat. I hope Mike is gonna like this because of where it has the Italian salad dressing on it. Because you don't even need a knife to cut the meat, it just falls apart. It's perfectly cooked. Delicious. Gonna be a nice Sunday meal for us, so I'm gonna go enjoy this now. So I found these on Amazon and I ordered them because you guys know I love Snoopy. So these are the little covers for your straws for like the Stanley Cup. These ones actually said Stanley Cup on them, but they should fit on mine. I'm just trying to decide which one I want to go with first. I'll get Mike to pick one for me. You pick out which one I should use first.
What?
Pick out which one I should use first.
What you should use first?
Yeah, pick out which one I should use first. There's 3 of them in there. Okay. So Mike picked this one for me. So we're going to go try it on my cup now. There we go. Snoopy right on my straw. Look at this cat. Pumpkin, what are you doing? You're funny. Odie. Here. Here. Look what Mommy got. Odie. He's looking for food that people throw out to the birds. Oh, duckies, I don't got anything for you. I'm sorry. Where'd you guys come from? Where'd you fellas come from? Oh, don't run after the birds, Odie. That's my fault. I'm sorry. Come here, Odie. Hold on, fellas. I'll see if we got anything in the house for you. There he goes. There he goes. Get the snow. He freaking loves the snow. What are you doing? I forget what's safe for ducks to eat. Hold on, I go Google it. What are you doing? Ah. Odie. He's wiping his face in the snow. He's crazy. He'd stay out there all day if I let him. Hi.
Hi, Odie. Oh, I gotta send you the pictures, Sherry, that he got. He jumped right up and
He loves the snow. He thinks he's a snow dog.
I know. Yeah, Frankie's he always comes back again today. His pressure's not coming down. It's up to the roof today.
Not good. What do you got? What are you eating? Get. Get. No. No. Look at your face. I don't have many, but Mike gave me some crackers for the ducks. Here, fellas. Here. Here. I don't want the seagulls to come take them. I only got a couple. Did you get one yet, or did that seagull take it on you? I'm sorry, buddy. I tried to get it to you, but the seagulls are taking them. Hi, ducky. Hi, ducky. Hi, duck. I don't have any more. I'm sorry. I'm not looking up because seagulls are bad. I told Mike to let Odie back out, but I guess he's not. So it says it's -4, but it feels way warmer because of the sun being out. I got all the birds over there now. They're all flying around everywhere. There, Odie's coming back out. As soon as I threw the crackers, all the seagulls came down. I literally have ducks. I'm standing right at the bottom of my step. So I literally have ducks and pigeons right in my yard. But the only problem is we're pretty close to the ocean, so whenever I drop food out there for the ducks and the pigeons, the seagulls land. They're little scavengers. They'll eat anything, the seagulls. You gotta leave the birdies alone. Okay, you can go play now. I don't think there's any more food there. Just don't be scaring them away, Odie. That's not nice. He ran after them. He doesn't usually do that, but there was crackers out there, so... Okay, you can play in the snow. Hi guys, so this is my quiet time in the night. It's after supper, the dishes are done, and Mike goes out with Odie for a walk because he has this thing with my vision where he won't let me go out when it's dark out, especially if there's snow and ice on the ground, which I guess he's just looking out for my safety, but because I am legally blind, he won't let me go out. So anyway, it's my quiet time. So, as you guys seen, I started 2 project pans this year. Haven't touched makeup since I started them. So I'm going to start playing with my makeup tomorrow. I think I really have to start getting into my makeup and playing with it. I'm considering doing a 3rd project pan. I know I'm crazy, but I'm really determined to get a dent in my makeup this year and play around with it, see what I'm using, see what I'm not using. So I want your guys' opinion down below. Do you guys think I should combine Project Level Up with Project No Pan Left Behind and do that? So basically what Project Level Up is level 1, you pick a palette. You have to use every shade in that palette 1 time and hit pan in 1 shade. Then level 2, you can pick another palette if you want. I gotta double check the rules of this. And I'll leave the YouTuber down below. If I do it, I'll you know, give credit to the person that created. Her name is Sophia. Anyway, level 2, I don't know if you pick another palette and have 2 palettes, or if you just pick another palette altogether. So basically, you have to use every shade in the palette 2 times and hit 2 pans, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on and so forth, right? So you can go up to level 10, but a lot of people restart at level 5. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. So, what do you think? Oh, look who's here again tonight to say hello. Say hi, Pumpkin. Say hi to YouTube. Said hello. Oh. I'm going to insert a picture at the end of this video, too, of what he was doing today. It was funny. He was, like, watching YouTube with me today. So, it was really cute. He loves watching TV. But anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. I know my vlogs have been boring because I haven't really been going anywhere or doing anything. It's winter here. And it's just icy and snowy. And I don't go far. And I'll get into this in another video. Because I promised you guys it. But we don't have our vehicle anymore, and I'll get into that later, why we don't have the vehicle anymore. So I don't have my job anymore, we don't have the vehicle anymore, and there's health stuff going on, and I'm gonna do a story time. Like I said, I gotta work up to that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys had a great start to your week, and I hope your week goes well. Let me know if I should do the 3rd project pan for this year. Really challenge myself this year. And take care of yourself and each other. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.